For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate has fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast, about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe it's human activity that's driving the temperatures up, a process known as global warming. Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and eventually cars have burned fossil fuels such as oil and coal, releasing huge amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases trap heat near the Earth through a naturally occurring process called the greenhouse effect. According to NASA studies, the extent of Arctic sea ice has declined about 10% in the last 30 years. As long as industrialized nations consume energy and developing countries increase their fossil fuel consumption, the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere will continue to rise. Researchers predict that temperatures will increase about 2 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the end of the century. What's less certain is what rising temperatures mean for the planet. Some climate models predict subtle changes. Others forecast rising sea levels which could flood coastal areas around the world. Weather patterns could change, making hurricanes more frequent. Severe droughts could become more common in warm areas.
Solar water heater. Solar water heater is a device used to heat water by trapping infrared radiations or heat radiations. Carefully observe the parts of the solar water heater. The solar water heater consists of an insulated box that is painted black from inside. In this box, copper pipes are fitted in the form of a coil. These copper pipes are painted black from outside. The box is covered with a glass lid to prevent the loss of heat due to conduction and radiation. The ends of the pipe are connected to the storage tank. The cold water enters the storage tank from the bottom and flows into the copper tubes. The infrared radiations from the sun get trapped inside the box. As a result, water inside the copper pipes gets heated up and becomes lighter. The heavier cold water from the storage tank, which is at a relatively lower temperature, flows down into the copper pipes, and the hot water that is lighter flows into the storage tank. The circulation of water continues, and this process by which the water gets heated is known as thermosiphon effect. Thus, we get hot water by trapping solar energy, which is renewable, non-polluting, and abundantly available.